KPM.
Oh, it's a taxing day for me. Along, I'm so hungry. Let's see what's fresh in our kitchen.
Okay.
Oh, smells nice. Wow, it's a pizza.
Wow.
You have the whole part. How come I have the...
Yeah, it looks
That's
like
only
4/6, but here I have
That is one whole, right?
Yeah.
So we have 1/4/6. Along, please help me to share equally.
Share equally?
Yes.
Nah, I don't want that. I want the
Please,
whole
Along,
pizza.
I'm so hungry.
No, this is
I'm
for
the
me.
little one. It's
You
not
can have that
fair.
one.
No,
This is
you have this.
mine.
I'm the little one.
No,
Please.
I want this one.
I want this. Since you don't know how to share, let me have this.
No, I want that one. I don't want this. Everyone, you are now watching Level 2 on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, as your host. And our subject for today is Mathematics DLP Year 6 together with Teacher Kalai. Hi, Teacher.
Hi, Sean. How are you? You're looking great today.
You too. You look
Thank
fabulous.
you.
We will also like to introduce our sign language interpreter of the day, and that is none other than Teacher Shamila. Hi, Teacher. How are you doing today? Wonderful. All right, now back to Teacher Kalai. Teacher, what are we learning today?
Yes, I know you're wondering about the content today, right?
Yes.
Okay, hi kids and viewers out there. Hope we are going to have fun about today's topic. Okay, so any guessing today's topic since we had pizza just now?
Maybe it's about... I only could think of pizza at the moment, or maybe you can do something with separating.
We have one whole part and also a part of the whole part that is 4/6. So it's about
fractions.
fraction. Yes, great, Sean. So focus today is division of fraction.
Ooh, all right.
So mostly kids will be a bit difficult to solve division in fraction. But today I'm going to clear their mind. Okay?
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes, let's begin.
Okay. So, do you know, Sean, how many types of fractions are there?
I only know probably a few, maybe proper fractions and improper fractions.
Yes, there are 3 types of fractions. Okay. So the one is, you can see proper fraction. Proper fraction, before that kids, I'm pretty sure you know about the numerator and denominator. So when we say proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Yes.
Okay. Next we have improper fraction. If the word improper means the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So normally we shouldn't leave the answer in improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed number. So the third one is the mixed number. Okay, can you say what is mixed number?
So mixed number, it looks like a combination of whole numbers and also fractions.
Yes, a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. There shouldn't be a improper fraction. So there are 3 types of fraction. They are, Sean?
Proper fractions, improper fractions, and also mixed numbers.
Yes. Okay, next. Okay, how to divide these fractions? Normally, there are 3 components in division of fractions. So, first thing is proper fraction with proper fraction. We are going to divide proper fraction with proper fraction, proper fraction with whole number, and proper fraction with mixed number. So, these are 3 major components you will find in the division of a fraction. Okay, kids? Okay, now we go one by one. But how we are going to divide? Any idea, any strategy that you have?
I'm not so sure. Maybe you could help us out with that.
Okay, that's why I'm here today. Okay, so kids, there are 2 methods to solve divisions of fractions. So one is using the diagram. The other one is calculation as standard written method. But here I focus on KCF.
Okay.
So what is that KCF? Is it KC or KFC?
Oh, I don't know. Sounds like a food to me.
Yeah. So when you remember KFC, of course you will remember the KCF. So we will explore later what is KCF.
Okay.
Now we will focus on diagram. Okay. So proper fraction with whole number. Okay, how to divide a proper fraction with a whole number. Okay, Shan, can you read the first question?
Okay, proper fraction with whole number. The first question is 3 over 8 divide by 2.
Yes, the 2 is the whole number, 3 over 8 is the proper fraction. Okay, Shan, can you fold the paper into 8 equal parts?
Okay, so
remember,
I have a
when
piece
we
of
say
paper
fraction,
here.
you must have equal parts.
Okay, so I'll fold into
8
half
equal
first.
parts.
Okay, and from here I fold into another half. Okay, and then I'll fold another half from this half. And
So do you get 8 equal parts?
Let's see.
Can you show to the viewers out there?
Okay, here we go. All right, I'm not sure whether they are able to
Can
see.
I see, Sean?
Can you see that?
1, 2, 3. Do you have 8?
Yes, 4 on top and 4
No,
below.
I want like this 8. So you have to
Oh, like
fold
this?
another one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 8. Okay.
Okay.
3 over 8. So you're supposed to shade 3 parts out
3
of
parts
8.
out of 8. Okay, let me do that. I have
You
a...
can use this.
Okay, this is better. So 3 out of 8, I can just shade here. 1, 2, and 3. So that's 3 out of 8 here, like this.
3 out of 8. I think you use this one and
Okay.
then get me 8 equal apart vertically.
Oh, vertically like that.
Yes.
My mistake. So I'll just do one more time.
Never mind, we
here.
learn from mistakes.
So 1, 2, and we'll fold
Another, yes.
one. Aha.
So you get equal
parts
of
okay.
8, right?
So now,
now
it looks
do you have
like
8?
this.
Now color for the 3 parts.
3 parts.
Shaded.
Okay, I will do that. So here, 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, can you show to the viewers?
Here we go.
So
There we
this
go.
is the 3 over 8. Is it correct? Yes. Now, how we are going to divide it into 2?
Oh, that's a very good question. How do we do that?
You fold the paper
Okay,
horizontally.
this way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
That means you already divide that fraction into 2 parts, right?
Okay, yes.
So can you tell me what's the total parts now?
Total parts that is shaded? Or
No,
in
the total part.
Total will be 16.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now, count me how many parts are shaded there.
Okay, so now there are 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So the answer?
Is 6 over 16?
6 over 16?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So normally kids, we have to simplify the answer. 6 over 16, you still can simplify.
Ah, okay. 6 over 16, I think I can make it to 3 over 8.
Okay. Let us check. Okay. Just now, I asked Sean to draw 8 equal parts, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me draw. 7 and 8. Make sure the parts should be equal, right?
Yes.
So, and then we color for 3. So, that means 3 over 8. It shows 3 over 8. This is diagram for 3 over 8. And then we have to divide it by 2. So, what we do here, we cut it into half parts.
Okay.
Right? So, how many total here? As
Now
you
we
say,
have,
16, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, how many parts that we have here?
Shaded
Yes.
is 6. 1, 2, 3.
How many whole 2? So we have 1.
Oh,
We
1,
have another 1.
2.
We have another 1. So how many here?
3.
3. So the answer is
Ah,
Tell
now
me
I
the answer.
understand. 3 over 16.
16. Yes. Okay, kids
Okay.
out there, can you try the second one?
Second one, okay. Second one is 4 over 5 divide by 4. So
Now
shall we
you
do?
can draw on this.
Okay. So now we'll have to break into 5 parts.
Yes, 5 equal parts.
5 equal parts. Okay, let's try and do that. Here, 1, 2. Okay, wait, this is not really equal. Okay, so I think our viewers at home can also try this activity together and see if they get the same answer as us. So here we got 4 over 5. So I'll just color 4, or I'll shade 4 out of 5. Okay.
Okay,
so here,
can you show the 4
this is
out
4
of
out of
5?
5.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
But you must draw. Next time, make sure you draw the equal parts of
yes,
the 5
correct.
equal parts. Okay.
Okay.
So that is 4 out of 5. So how we are going to divide by 4 now?
divide by 4 now, then we have to fold it 4 times.
But that one you cannot fold, right?
Okay, yeah.
So what you're
maybe
going to
I'll
do?
just separate it into 4 like
4
this.
equally.
Equally.
Yes. You got it right.
Okay. So now, after I shaded, in total now there are 20
Yes, you must find
parts.
what is the total parts now.
20.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So 20, we know we must write it as the denominator.
Okay.
And how many 4 whole parts? That
So we
means
have
you must
1,
count 1, 2, 3, 4. So
That's
this
1.
is 1.
Okay.
Yes. So continue.
1, 2, 3, 4. So
Yes.
it's 4
So,
over 20.
4 over 20 is not the simplest form, right? So how to make it?
So it becomes 1 over 5.
Yes. As usual, we do the cancellation method, 1 over 5. So kids out there, you can answer is as 1 over 5.
Alright.
Okay.
So how many marks do I get for this?
Actually, I forgot to bring a gift for you.
Okay.
So let's, after this, we go for a coffee treat. Okay.
Alright, yay, a coffee treat for me. And right now we're going to
Okay.
take a short break. Back to you after this on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM.
Hello everyone, you're now watching level 2 on Didik TV KPM, and our subject for today is Mathematics DLP Year 6 with Teacher Kalai. Alright teacher,
Yes, Sean.
shall we continue?
Okay. Yeah. Just now you learned how to divide using the diagram, right?
Yes.
So now we are going to look about what is KCF. Remember I told you KCF?
Yes.
So what is KCF? Chang, chang, chang. Let's see. Okay. So K stand for keep the same. C stand for change, and F stand for flip.
Okay.
Okay, so what we are going to keep the same, what we are going to change, and what we are going to flip.
Okay.
Now we go some examples here. Okay, so as I said earlier, we are going to divide proper fraction with proper fraction. Okay, 1 over 4 centimeter. This time I'm involving with unit. Divide by 2 over 5.
Okay.
Can you see the 2 proper fraction there?
Yes.
So we have to keep same the first proper fraction. Okay,
Alright.
and then we have to change the what we changed there in the second method.
We change the symbol.
Yes, we change the operation, division, we change to multiplication. Remember, you must change it to multiplication only, not
Okay.
subtraction, not addition.
Alright.
And then, the second fraction, we have to flip. So,
Okay.
what's the meaning of flip? We inverse the divisor. So, here divisor is 2 over 5. So, we have to inverse the divisor. Can you see that? We
Yes.
flip it. Okay, so...
Okay.
What it becomes? 1 over 4 cm or quarter cm times by 5 over 2. Can you see that?
Yes.
Can you notice that? Then as usual we do the calculation. So we times the numerator with numerator and we times the denominator with denominator. Okay? So the answer is
5 over 8.
8. Yes, it is in the simplest form. 5 over 8 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay, you must tell the unit together. Now we look example. Proper fraction with whole number. Okay, so 3 over 4 kg, also known as 3/4 kg, divide by 15.
Yeah.
Okay, when comes a whole number, we have to convert that whole number into improper fraction. So
Yes.
how to do it? So we just add 1 below the whole number as the denominator. Okay, so keep the same. What is that, Sean?
First we keep the same, that means the value we keep.
The first
what we call 3 over
fraction,
4,
the
yeah.
proper fraction, we keep the same. That means we shouldn't do anything changes on that.
Yeah.
Okay, second is what?
We change the operation from
Yes. Before that,
divide
I
into...
convert that whole number into improper fraction.
yes.
So after that, we change the
change the
operation
symbol. to
multiplication,
Yes.
and then we do the
flip.
Flip. So K, C, F. Right. So 1 over 15. It become 1 over 15. So the solution, if you see here, yes. So here we can do the cancellation method, whereby the 3 and 15 you can cancel it by times 5, right? So you will get 1 there and 5 here, and then you times the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, then you will get
1 over 20 kilograms.
Yeah, you are right. Okay, the third example, proper fraction with mixed number. Okay, so can you see there, 1 over 5 milliliter is the mixed number, right? Okay, and then divide by half. That means a proper fraction. So how to do it? Still the
KCF.
Yes, so the first one we keep the same. 1 over 5 milliliter, and then
C we have to change.
yes, change the operation into multiplication, and the third one is flip, we inverse the divisor. You can see the denominator and numerator already.
Yes.
Inverted.
I also notice now it's 26 over 5, meaning that from
that means,
mixed numbers, change it into improper fractions.
Yes, you're right. Wow, so clever. Okay, so that mixed number we have to convert into improper fraction. So then we get 26 over 5 milliliter times by 2 over 1.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Okay, it doesn't look complicated, right?
No.
Okay, so after this, we proceed with the calculation. Yeah, okay. So 26 over 5 milliliter times by 2 over 1, okay, or 2. So we will get what? 26 times by 2, we will get 52. Meanwhile, 5 times 1, we get 5.
Yes.
So what's the answer now?
Now we'll have to somehow
What's the answer you get now?
52 over 5.
Is it the final answer? Kids out there?
Doesn't look like it.
Yes, remember always we cannot leave the answer in improper fraction.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to convert it into mixed number.
numbers.
Okay, it's vice versa. So to convert it, either you divide 52 by 5, or you just do mentally, that is how many 5s in 52?
There should be 10.
Yes, 10 times 5 is 50. So 52 minus 50, the balance is
10, 2 over
10,
5.
2 over 5.
Milliliter.
The remainder, you should write it as the numerator.
Yep.
The denominator is remain the same.
Yes.
Okay, the answer, the quotient is as the whole number. Okay?
Yeah.
Understand?
Oh, yes.
Understand, kids out there? Okay, now time to test your understanding.
All
Are you ready,
right.
Sean?
Yes, I am. And I hope everyone at
Yes.
home is ready as well. We can do it together.
Yes, together. So this is test for you.
Okay.
Can you read it out?
Mr. Sham has 10 and 4 over 5 meters of satin cloth. He uses the cloth to make 9 equal lengths of flags. What is the length in meter of each flag? So it looks like what we need to do is we need to divide, so 10, 4 and 4 over 5 meters divide by 9.
Yes, you're right, because the keyword is each flag. Okay, when they ask for each, you have to divide it. Okay. So what you're going to divide
by
here? 10.
9. So I've written this out. So I
Yes.
think the first step that I need to do is I have to change this one over here into improper fraction.
Yes.
So let me just make
By adding,
over 1.
Okay, now you can proceed with what?
Okay, so next we'll have to change this one into a improper number as well.
Yes.
Is that correct? I mean, we have to
Yes.
keep this value,
Yes.
but we also do that. So that means it's 54 over 5.
The value is same, kids.
Yes,
The value is
divide
same.
by 9 over 1. We're just going to keep that first.
Yes.
Okay. And now KFC, right? So
Yes,
we keep the first one.
KCF.
Oh, sorry, KCF.
Yeah.
Thinking about food. So first one we keep. C is to change the operation into multiplication. So I'm going to do this. I'm just going to put the equals over here, right? So 54 over 5. We're going to multiple,
Wow, you
change
can
that.
perform fastly now.
And now after this, we have to flip.
Yes.
The 9 over 1 to 1 over 9. Let
Yes,
me do
you're
that.
right. Superb.
1 over 9.
Now, can you find the solution now?
Let's see. Before that, maybe I can somehow simplify it. 54 and 9.
yes.
So I can
Because-
scratch this out. This becomes 6 and 9 becomes
Yes, because
1.
both numbers are in one multiplication.
Yes.
So you cancel it by times 9.
Yes.
And then you times the numerator with numerator and
That's right.
denominator with denominator.
So 6 times 1 and 5 times 1, I get 6 over 5. But
Okay, yeah.
that is not
Why
the
a
final
pause
value.
there?
That's right.
Because it is in
improper.
improper
so to change it
fraction.
to proper, it becomes...
How many 5s there in 6?
There is 1.
So write it as a whole
One,
number.
one.
Minus. And then you get, what you get?
1 over 5, but this is still not the final answer
Yes.
because the question asks for the length in
Meter.
So let's just not forget to put the M over there, and this is the final answer.
Yes, a grand of applause for Sean today.
Yay!
Okay,
All
shall
right.
we go for another?
Yes, let's do that.
Yes. Okay, the second one, Sean.
Okay, 3.5 kg of muraku and 1 1/4 of kilograms of nuts were mixed in a container. A seller packed the muraku and nuts mixture into small packets, each of a mass of 1/4 kilograms. How many packets did he obtain? Okay, so they put it together, meaning that first I'll have to somehow put this together. So it's 1/2. I'll have to
3.5 kilogram.
3.5 kilogram and 1 1/4 kilograms.
Why
I have to
plastic?
somehow put it together, right?
Yes,
So I have to
so
plus it
this
together.
is more to hot questions, right?
Okay.
It's involving more than one operation.
Okay, so first I'll have to somehow change the denominators to come. I'll show all my working after this. So 2/4 plus 1, here we go. 1/4. So what I've done so far is that I've changed the denominators to be the same so that it's easier for me to calculate. So this becomes 4 3/4. Okay,
Yes.
so this comes
We have 2
4
kids
and
there. We have
3.
to make the denominator same, okay, by finding the LCM, lower common multiples.
Yes.
So what's the answer? 4 3/4.
Yeah.
And then
And then we divide it by 1/4
kilogram.
So 4 3/4 divide by 1/4 kilograms. Let me just put a kg over there. Okay, and now we're going to use the method of KCF.
KCF.
So K we're going to keep
so
first.
can you go fast without explaining
Okay,
the KCF?
let's go. Let's go.
Change it to improper fraction.
Yes.
Okay, and then change,
And then let's just
and then you
multiple.
already flip. Good.
Yes. Okay, so we get.
Now for the calculation.
I hope I'm doing this right. It looks, 16 plus 3.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
All right, so
So
here,
what is that 19 kg represent?
19 kg represents
Yeah, represents what? Your answer should be in what?
how many packets? Oh, it's supposed to be
yes,
packets.
this is common mistakes that children make. So
yeah,
we have to alert that 19 is the number of packets,
Yes,
right?
that's right. So I'll
not
just
the
remove the
mass.
kilograms all together. I did it too fast.
Yes.
So that's right. So
Because why? You learn the method of KCF, then you can perform fastly. Okay.
Correct.
10 stars for you, Sean.
thank you so much, Teacher Kalai, and great job to all of you who got the same answer as me, which is 19 packets. And right now we're going to take a short break. Back to you after this on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM.
You are now watching Level 2 on Didik TV KPM. Our subject for today is Mathematics DLP Year 6. Okay, Teacher Kalai, what shall we do for this
Yeah,
segment?
now we are at the peak of the lesson. So, it's time for mastery activity.
Ooh.
Are you ready? I'm going to
Yes.
give you a big challenge now, whereby
Okay.
you have to pick one and kick one.
Okay.
Sounds good, right?
Yes.
You're going to pick the correct answer and kick out the wrong answer.
Okay.
So for that, you can see the questions here. I leave it to you.
Okay,
Just choose one question and
question.
solve it, and then you pick the correct answer.
okay, maybe I'll start with this one. How many 16 in 4/5?
Yes.
So in this case, because the question is like this, we actually have to put 4/5 divide
Because
by
we are going to find how many 16 in 4/5.
That's right. So I written out like this, and using the KCF method,
Yes.
what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it straight away. It's 4/5.
But we are emphasizing the KCF method because
Yes.
in exam we can't do the diagram because it's taking too long. time to solve using the diagram method. But to understand the concept, you have to learn the diagram methods.
Okay, so what I've got is this one over here, from 4/5 divide by 16 using the KCF method.
Wow.
So we get 1/20.
Simply superb.
Keep, change, flip.
Flip, yay.
And then I made it simpler, and it comes 1/20. And based on this, I get to pick one.
Just pick the correct answer.
Alright, I'm going to take it out here. Okay. And
So you can place it. So
over
I
here.
may help you. Okay, now, which is the second question you want to try?
Second question will be this one. How many 1.5 in 9? So I
yeah.
think similar as well, where it's actually 9 divided by 1.5. So in this case, 9, I'll have to first make it
Here we
into...
have the mixed number.
Correct.
So convert that into improper fraction. Proceed.
That's right. So I'll just proceed over here using the KCF method. Is here to
And the whole number,
3.
remember, we have to convert that into improper fraction.
Okay, here. So
Before
it's
you proceed the
6/1.
KCF, you must convert the whole number and also the mixed number.
And the answer I got is 6.
Wow, awesome. Good job.
Alright, so for this, I'm just going to choose one over here. And based on my performance, teacher, I think since I got this correct, how well did I do for this activity?
Simply superb. You're awesome today. Okay, I can give you more stars
Thank
for
you
your good job.
so much. And also, before we end, could you kindly give us a short, what we call recap of what we have learned today?
Okay, today we have looked at division of fraction. How to divide fraction. That I've touched about the 3 components: proper fraction with proper fraction with mixed number, and proper fraction with whole number.
Yes.
So we have learned through the diagram. We use the diagram, we draw the diagram, and then also we use the KCF method, which is the standard written method. Okay.
Yes,
For
that's
more interactive activities, Sean, okay, we can try, the kids out there, you can try to search in portal Delima and try out more questions for enhance your understanding.
Alright, thank you so much once again, Teacher Kalai, for helping us and also showing us the best way to do a division of fractions. And for those of you watching, hopefully it has been beneficial to all of you, and we'll see you in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye.
Bye. You enjoy to sing, Sean?
Alright.
KCF method and so much more. It's exciting. Tell what to do. What you have learned. Surrounded by fun of your learning. Teacher, show me how to do fraction. Let's go deep, 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 deep at the ocean blue. Deep, deep, deep. Deep in KCF method, let's go deep, deep, deep. Deep in KCF method, our learning is endlessly deeper than the sea.